Hello, now something here. We want this number to be filled with zeros. This is not a number. Remember, very fast we were deleting the row, but let's not use that. Let's use this method called fill. Fill. So fill not a number with zero from the shape data frame. Fill now within zero and make permanent change in the database. So that means that. So let's do it. Shift enter. And then we can say shape df. Shift enter. And you can see everything is now filled with zero where there was not a number. And now with that, now we can go to attempt to draw a line graph for this data. So line graph for this data, it is not something hard. Because we have to use this one over here. You have to use matplot. So plotting, remember, whenever you are drawing a graph, you have we have y and x axis. So how do we come up with y and x axis now? Okay, let's see how do we do it next. Short.